If you want to use Google Calendar like a normal desktop app on Windows 10 and 11, you can install it directly from Google Chrome in just few minutes. This makes it easier to open your calendar quickly without opening a browser tab every time. First, open Google Chrome on Windows 10 and 11 computer or laptop. Go to the Google website and sign in your Google account if you are already logged in. After sign in, click the small square Google app icon in the top right corner of the screen. From the list of apps, select Google Calendar. Once Google Calendar open, look at the top right corner of Chrome and select 3 vertical dots. Scroll down and click Cast, Save and Share. And then click Install Pages app. A small pop-up window will appear asking if you to install it. Click the Install button. Now Google Calendar will open its own separate window, just like a normal application. Even if you close Chrome, the calendar app can stay open. You can also open Start menu in Windows 10 and 11, search for Calendar and launch the Google Calendar directly anytime you want. Hope you understand. I have a request. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.